I love you.
Lately I've been feeling like I am the mistake that everyone takes. Now I'm over here getting all these damn headaches. Why do my whole freaking ache? Because my girl fucking left me. Now I'm over here feeling really lonely. I used to call you my one and only. Now you're over there fucking in BC. I want to be your everything. I should've just bought you a wedding ring. I would've done anything for you. You know that is so freaking true. Between you and me, now I'm over here freaking feeling really lonely. Smoking all this pot, trying to make it to the top. Now I'm too deep in this freaking hip hop.
Problem that no one wants to solve it. Am I a mistake if I'm that easy to replace?
Am I the problem for you? Even though you know this love was so true between me and you, you know that is so true.
Problem that no one wants to solve it. Am I a mistake if I'm that easy to replace?
Feeling really lonely. Used to call you my one and only. Now I'm over here feeling lonely.